Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today's video is all about butting heads with service writers, so stay tuned for that. Okay, it's very common for automotive technicians or mechanics and service writers to not get along, butt heads, cause problems with each other. So this could be anything from you just personally don't like the guy, a communication breakdown. There's a lot of reasons why technicians and service writers will butt heads in the shop. So I wanted to encourage you guys to do your best on your part to rectify the situation, because that directly affects how much money you take home on a weekly basis, or if you're an hourly paid technician or mechanic, it can affect raises. So if you're a younger tech or a tech that's getting paid by the hour, it can affect you from getting raises. It may affect you from getting bumped up and getting the better jobs and progressing your skill levels. So I encourage you guys to take it upon yourself to figure out ways to communicate better, tone your attitudes down if it's your fault, and you really look at yourself and make sure that it's your fault. So I got a piece of advice for you guys is to read the book or listen to the audio book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It's an amazing book. It talks a lot about communicating back and forth with different people, how to get along with people. It has tips on how to get raises or get things that you want from other people. So I recommend that you follow the guidelines of this book. Like I said, it's Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. I will link that up in the description of the video, the audiobook and the paperback book. That way you guys can check that out. I guarantee you, if you listen to this book, apply the techniques that he's teaching you in this book, put it to work, and you'll see a big difference in your communication. You're getting along with your service writer. It'll be a much more cohesive, happier place to work, and you're gonna come out big on the other end, benefiting in your pay, your raises, getting those jobs, better jobs, moving up in your career. Like I said, check that book out and follow it word for word, apply it to your work life, and get back to me in a couple of weeks and let me know how much it's changed your life, and leave those comments below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Brian Essick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.